I know a man from the far desert. His name is called Pharaoh Kid. He drives a black Mustang through the silver dawn, leaving the canyons for the neon street. Ghost in the engine, fire in the heart, a midnight wander on a concrete sea, where the sand ends and the dreams begin, of a forgotten lives, of a forgotten life. He drives a black Mustang underneath the heavy street lights. He drives a black Mustang, yeah, bringing the quiet of the desert to the noise. Desert dust on a leather seat, a man of the horizon learning to settle. He knows the secrets of the ancient wind, now he's reading the silence of the steel. Pharaoh Kid in a world of glass, finding the rhythm of a different heart. No map for the spirit, no compass for the soul, just the black Mustang and the heavy rain. Pharaoh Kid, the Mustang. Desert in the rear view, desert in the rear view. City on the glass,